Alright, so I'm going to take you through how to set up a simple program. So you start off, go to program, you're going to hit new. So this is all your dimensions that you need to enter. So we're just going to do a full triple chip just for demonstration purposes. So number of teeth, this is an 80 tooth blade. Blade thickness is 2.4. Kerf is 3.4. This all works in millimeters. Group length we're going to do is 1. That's how many different teeth are on the blade. So when we do a triple chip, we're going to come down here and select our tooth. So select the tooth. And 3 is the profile for a triple chip. We're just going to do a 45. And 45 on each side. Our ground speed is always going to be set at 5. And our flat, we're just going to kind of split 3.4 and 3s, which is about 1.1. What we're going to do is we're going to save it. We're going to send it. We're going to go back to the main, and you'll see that program's loaded up here. The wheel is going to go to its setup position where it wants you to touch off. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down. We're going to set the beginning of our x-axis right here. So this is going to be X start. I'm going to make sure it's highlighted red. That saves the number. So then we're going to go back across to our end point. We're going to do our X in, set it there. Turn the wheel on. Change our jog speed to slow, and we'll just come down and touch. So we just barely touch. And from there, we just hit automatic. Now it's going to take all those points, and it's just going to start running. Take a little bit more into the flat. That's good to go.